Hey, welcome back. Today we are going to make our own custom Taylor Swift. She's all the rage right now. My daughter loves her, so I'm on board. We're gonna make stickers. So you can. This is stickerbaker.com. So basically, what you do is you just go and you find an image of whatever you want. I'm just using Taylor Swift. Uh, so I downloaded an image. So I want Taylor Swift dancing. All right, let's see what it comes up with. Here's a bunch of stickers that people have already made. So you can pick and choose from those as well. All right, so here's the two it made for me. It did not get her face in there, so we'll have to definitely try that. There we go. Okay, so you go to your oven here. So this is what it's made. Yeah, so it definitely didn't get her face. So let me try a new picture and we'll see. All right, so I got a new one of just her face. I'm gonna do Taylor Swift, fiercely. I can spell that letter. There you go. Gazing. Not sure what else to describe that as. All right, let's see what it comes up with. All right, so here's what it came up with. Hey, that's pretty good. All right, so now what we could do is print. So thumbs up, new, share, save. So if you want to download this, that's cool. Save the image as. Yeah, we'll just leave it there. That's fine, whatever. Cool. So then, if you wanted to print a sticker, so it's a print on sticker mule. All right. So it looks like you can do 10 for 17, 10 for 15 rectangle stickers down the corner. That's pretty cool. You get a sticker of your dog if you want. Magnets. Packaging tape. That's weird. Bubble man. Wow, they got a little bit of everything here. T-shirts, keychains. Sweet. I'm gonna get a T-shirt of my mom for Mother's Day. Uh, awesome. So yeah, that's how you do that. Let me know what you guys are making down there in the comments, and subscribe for more good stuff. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.